What's up, sisterhood? Okay, and my brothers too over there. Hey, how y'all doing? It is Vlogtober, y'all. Okay, now let me tell y'all something. Y'all know I be going in and out, in and out, in and out of this YouTube stuff, but I'm really trying to get it together. Okay, I was trying to, but at the end of the day, I'm really getting it together. Okay, because your West Coast Cosmo Berry hair sister with my niece. We here. We about to put a stamp on it, okay? So it is Vlogtober. Today is October 5th. So yeah, I'm 5 days late, but better to be late to the party than don't show up at all. Okay, and I'm here. Ooh, and today y'all gonna come with me do a couple of little things. I'm not even finna lie to y'all. I had to take me a break. Because I wasn't really I wasn't feeling well. And then everything was just coming on to me. So now I'm back. I'm up. It's Tuesday. Y'all know Tuesday is typically a day out that I start back to work. So today was a day that I just kind of took to work on wigs and other stuff like that. And then I'll be taking clients for the rest of the week. So y'all finna get into this morning routine with me. And yeah, I'm finna show y'all how it gets down. I am actually about to show y'all a new morning routine that I'm doing because I don't know. It's like my skin just been, when you get older, your skin changes, your hair changes, everything changes. Okay, so I'm just gonna try something new. I really am trying to, get these dark spots and just even my skin pigmentation. So we about to get into that because I gotta go. So what I'm gonna do is do some African Black Soap by Shea Moisture. I'm about to use that on my face today. And I do not have, dang. Oh, that's okay, because I got a towel under this. Okay, well, y'all, ooh, this smells hecka good. This smells really good. So, y'all, I don't know if y'all know, but I do have a nut allergy, and I did not read this before I picked it up. Make sure there ain't no nuts in here. No, there's no nuts. So if you do have a nut allergy, you can use this. You can use this. It's the African Black Soap with shea butter for blemish prone face and body bar. So now I do use this. I have acne. Girl, I got acne bad. So I do use this on my back, and when I was using it consistently, it was really working really good. And now this is not sponsored, okay? And I will be honest, I typically don't recommend Shea Moisture for my client's hair, but I really like this. I really like they body stuff. Okay, so anywho, let's just go ahead and get this down. I just got the shower, y'all, so my hands is clean, and I'm trying to hurry up because I need to make it to the store so that way I can get back. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this smells so good. Okay. Oh, y'all. I'll get my baby hair in there. Oh, that's good. Oh! It's cool, y'all. So, what's going on with y'all? How is y'all doing? I do not know the last time I posted on YouTube, so forgive me. I sure don't. I think the last time I tried to post on YouTube was March Madness. But I'm here now, okay? So, here's what it is. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to rinse my face. And of course I can't see nothing. Ooh, my face feel hecka squeaky clean. Okay, Shea Moisture, okay. So I'm definitely gonna keep y'all up to date on how I like this. Stuff. Okay. Okay, y'all, that part was getting a little long-winded, so I just sped this up. So what I put on my face was my toner after I had washed my face. And then right now I'm just brushing my teeth and doing my Listerine. You know, all that good stuff that you're supposed to be doing in the morning, okay? And then once I get back into my face, I'm going to be using some Palmer Dark Skin Correcting, and it's going to be right now. And then I'm going to use my Nivea moisturizer, and then I'm going to go in with my SPF 30 sunscreen for my face. Okay, so if y'all want more information about my morning routine, my morning facial routine, you know, it's nothing to just comment down below and let me know. Now let's get back into the video. Okay, y'all, so we didn't brush our teeth. Did all that. I'm probably just gonna, because I need to fix my lace later on today. So she's probably just going to, you know, go out real natural like this, you know, because I'm really not going to do nothing spectacular, nothing really like just fabulous. I'm just doing a little bit of running around so that way I can get a couple of things that I need for this week, you know, and then that's it. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna take this whole wig off and then reinstall it, because why not when you are the stylist? Okay, so I will be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, and we is back at it. Now we're gonna go to the beauty supply store, and I really thought about it, and I'm like, I only need to get like maybe 1 or 2 things out of this beauty supply store. Hey, you know, when the girl is sexy, they just on the world, okay? Hello. I really just need to get like 1 or 2 things out the beauty supply store today, because tomorrow I'm going to the Bay, and the Bay got like the best prices for everything, okay? So, you know, on this side of the bridge, you know, on the Fairfield area, like, they really be taxing because they know, oh, what's that? And see, I'm kind of saying because of these bras, because I always get distracted. Yeah, they be taxing. Oh, I'm gonna just get this little one conditioner, and then, do I need anything else out of here? No, probably not. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna get this, and then I'm about to go pick up some food, and then go back home, and I'm gonna show y'all, you know, some stuff that I'm gonna do. Oh, y'all, yeah, I need to really do my hair. But okay, until I see you all later. Bye. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room. Okay, y'all, I have made it back to the his house, and I want to show y'all what I have been working on. Okay, and when this is dry, I love it, y'all. Let me show y'all. So y'all, I've been grinding and hustling today. I colored this unit. It's almost dry, and this unit is actually pretty good and dry. I wish I would have put some stuff on it, but this unit is actually pretty good and dry. So y'all, I've been working on them units, nothing really too much. Let me turn it back on me. Yeah, y'all, I've been working on them units, nothing too much. Let me turn on a light up in here. Let's see. This like it? Yeah, this like it. But yeah, nothing too much. So thank y'all for tuning in to this Vlogtober, y'all. I'm finna finish watching my little stuff that I was watching, and then I'm gonna get into this good old barbecue. I'm so mad my sauce dropped. But yes, and so I'm definitely gonna try to come back October 6th. You know, I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to get it in, y'all. But anywho, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, because I'm definitely going to be dropping more vlogs. I'm definitely going to be dropping more installs and stuff. So you'll get to see me do client installs. And y'all, don't tell my clients, but your girl's about to start doing pranks. Okay? I'm about to start doing pranks on my clients. Okay? Y'all think it's sweet? It ain't sweet. Oh, I'm sorry. It ain't sweet, man. I'm about to get these sisters, man. I'm about to get them. I'm about to come hard with the pranks and stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but trust me, you know your girl about to get it, okay? So like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and make sure when y'all comment, let me know what y'all want to see from your Bay Area hair sister and your West Coast Cosmo with by Niecy. And I'm about to eat this good old food and probably do some more work. And I'm out. I will see y'all tomorrow, October 6th. It's Vlogtober. It's going down. Peace.